When I first heard about Bitbinvest, I wasn't sure if it would meet all my trading needs. When I first heard about Bitbinvest, I wasn't sure if it would meet all my trading needs. Let's be honest, with so many platforms out there, finding one that truly delivers on its promises isn't easy. But after a few weeks of using it, I have to say, my experience has been largely positive. Let me walk you through everything I've observed. The registration process was quick and straightforward. I filled in my details, uploaded the necessary documents for KYC verification, and got approved within 24 hours. What impressed me right from the start was how transparent the process was. They clearly outlined what documents were needed, why they were needed, and how the verification would work. It gave me confidence that the platform takes security and compliance seriously. Once I got access to the platform, I explored its features. One of the first things I noticed was how easy it is to navigate. Everything is laid out logically, and I didn't feel lost or overwhelmed. The dashboard is intuitive, and I could quickly access different markets, check my portfolio, and analyze charts. For someone like me who relies on technical analysis, having highly customizable charts with a variety of indicators was a huge plus. I could set everything up exactly how I wanted. Bitbinvest offers a wide range of markets, and that was a key selling point for me. I started with cryptocurrencies, since those markets run 24/7. Trading Bitcoin and Ethereum was smooth, with tight spreads and reliable execution. I also ventured into Forex trading, focusing on major pairs like EUR, USD. The spreads there were competitive as well, and I didn't experience any delays in execution, even during high volatility periods. This consistency made it easier to trust the platform. The variety doesn't stop at crypto and Forex. There's also access to commodities like gold and oil, indices like the S&P 500, and a massive selection of global stocks. Having all these options on a single platform is incredibly convenient. It allows me to diversify my portfolio without having to juggle multiple accounts across different platforms. Whether I wanted to hedge risk with commodities or speculate on the tech sector with stocks, everything was right there. Security is something I take very seriously, especially in today's trading environment, where risks of breaches are high. Bitbinvest stood out for its transparent approach to security. They use encryption to protect user data, and you can feel the layers of security in place as you navigate the platform. I also appreciated the two-factor authentication they offer. It's an extra step, but it makes me feel more secure. One thing that can make or break a trading experience is how quickly trades are executed. I tested Bitbinvest under different conditions, during quiet market hours, and during periods of high volatility. Across the board, trade execution was fast and reliable. I didn't experience any significant slippage, which is critical for someone like me who sometimes trades on tight margins. Another area that often raises concerns for traders is the withdrawal process. I made my first withdrawal within the first week of using Bitbinvest to test how efficient they were. The process was smooth. I requested a withdrawal, and the funds were in my bank account within 3 business days. There were no hidden fees, and I was informed of all costs up front. That level of transparency is something I value highly. The platform's fee structure is competitive. Yes, there are fees for spreads, overnight positions, and leverage, but they're clearly outlined. What's more, I found the spreads to be in line with, if not better than, many other platforms I've used. For instance, the spreads on Forex trades were particularly tight, which is ideal for day traders like me who rely on small but frequent profits. Customer support was another aspect I tested early on. I had a question about using their trading tools and reached out via live chat. To my surprise, I didn't have to wait long. The support agent was not only responsive, but also knowledgeable. They walked me through the solution step by step and made sure I understood. Having access to reliable customer support is a huge plus because it means I'm not left stranded if an issue arises. While the platform is excellent overall, I can see how beginners might feel overwhelmed initially. There are so many tools and features that it might take a little time to get used to everything. Fortunately, Bitbinvest has a robust library of educational resources. I took the time to go through some of their tutorials, and they're well designed, offering both basic and advanced trading insights. Beginners should definitely make use of these resources before jumping in headfirst. The mobile app is another standout feature. I've used it to monitor my portfolio, execute trades, and even analyze charts while on the go. It's fast, intuitive, and offers nearly all the functionality of the desktop version. For someone like me who values flexibility, the mobile app has been a lifesaver. One thing I always emphasize when talking about trading platforms is the importance of knowing the risks. Bitbinvest doesn't shy away from discussing the risks involved with trading leveraged products. They're upfront about it, which I appreciate. It shows they care about educating their users rather than just pushing them to trade recklessly. Overall, Bitbinvest has exceeded my expectations. It's secure, versatile, and reliable, with plenty of tools and markets to suit traders of all levels. While no platform is perfect, the positives here far outweigh any minor drawbacks. If you're considering Bitbinvest, I'd say go for it. But take the time to understand the platform and use the resources they provide. Trading isn't easy, but with the right tools and strategies, it can certainly be rewarding.